Welcome to Onsite. In this tutorial, we'll discuss on material return and debit note in Onsite. So in this video, we'll see how to record a material return from the project inventory and how it reflects automatically in the party ledger. For that, go to the transaction tab. In the top right corner, press create transaction button. So in this, you can find a material return option. Select the supplier's name. Click add materials. So let's say I want to return this to particular material. So select the quantity that you want to return. And you can see the rate has already been fetched from the purchase entry that you have made. And save. Once all the details are filled in, click save. You will now see that the party payment amount has been reduced. Here you can see the entry. So the amount has been reduced. Also, the same quantity of those material has also been deducted from the project inventory. So both financial and stock records are automatically updated. Now let's see another case. Suppose your vendors tell you not to return the material physically. He asks you to keep the damaged or detected items at your end, but he'll reduce the bill amount for those items. For that, again, in the transaction tab, under create transaction, debit note option is there. So in such cases, you don't have to make the material return entry instead. So you can issue this debit note directly to the vendor. This note records that the vendor has charged you less amount due to damaged or detected materials. So select the vendor's name. So here, let's add the total amount. Let's say 7,000. Under the note section, you can add, for example, damaged materials. So once saved, the debit note automatically reduces the payable amount in the vendor's ledger. Just like in a material return, but without affecting your project inventory since the material remains with you. You can see in the party ledger that the debit note has been added. And so as the amount has also been deducted. And in the inventory, you can see the inventory is still the same. And that's how you record material return and debit notes on Onsite. Material return is used when the items are physically sent back to the vendor, while debit note is used when the vendor adjusts the payment for damaged or defective materials kept at your site. This ensures both your stock and financial records remain perfectly accurate. Thank you for watching.